In this video, we're going to look at how to graph a line. And when we're talking about graphing the line today, we're going to work on from the equation y equals mx plus b, which is our slope-intercept form. So the first example we will look at, y equals 2x minus 3. In previous videos, I have talked about how to look at an equation like this and find our slope and y-intercept, and we've also talked about slope triangles. So the slope, which is your change in y over change in x, or your rise over run, is always the value that is multiplying x. So in this case, it is 2. And 2 can be written as a fraction as 2 over 1. So my change in y is a positive 2, which is going up 2, divided by a 1, which is to the right 1. My y-intercept, or the b value, is always the number that is added to x. In this case, it is negative 3. Once I have this information, I am now able to go through and graph the line. So where I want to start is I want to start looking at the y-intercept and place a dot on the y-intercept first. My y-intercept is going to be on my y-axis, the vertical axis. So at negative 3, I place my dot. Then, using my slope triangle of up 2 to the right 1, I now can place another dot. That slope triangle can be repeated as many times as necessary. And then I draw a line through there. That is the line y equals 2x minus 3. One other example would be this equation, y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 1. Again, the slope, the number multiplying your x, is a negative 3 over 2. The number that's being added to x in this case is a positive 1. So always starting with the y-intercept, at positive 1, I place a dot. My slope triangle now is a negative 3 over 2. Negative means my change in y is going down 3 and to the right 2. So down 3 to the right 2 places the next dot right there. And continuing that slope triangle places the dot there. I can also make dots in the other direction by using the same slope triangle and just going the other direction. And once I have several dots, I can draw my line.